Hi everybody, I'm Linde from the Abington Community Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope out of a magazine page. So this is a project for anybody who enjoys crafts, or if you enjoy writing letters, or you would like to start writing letters during this time while we're all at home. So the supplies you're going to need for this project are old magazines. You're going to need some scissors, markers, or a pen, as well as a glue stick or some Elmer's glue. So the first step is going to be cutting out our template. So on our Facebook page, we've included a link so you can download this template. So if you need to, pause the video right now and click on that link so you can cut out the template. I'm going to start cutting it out right now. We're going to go around the whole template. The only thing we're going to be super careful of is that we don't snip those tabs off. So the tabs are going to be the thing that holds the envelope together. So I'm going to continue to cut this template out. So envelopes are great. Writing letters are great for adults right now. Also teens, kids, they could have a pen pal. You could also write a letter to someone in your life who maybe is not on social media, such as your grandmother, grandfather, an older parent. These are just some ideas to brighten their day. All right, so I'm just about finished cutting the template out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We have two tabs on the side. The next step is going to be choosing your page in your magazine. So I like to do magazines that have scenes in them. It could be a travel magazine. This is a backpacker magazine. We also have, what do we have here? We have the Pioneer Woman. So I'm going to take a page from the Pioneer Woman today. You're going to rip out the page from the magazine. So by making that crease and with that page back and forth, it'll give you a nice tear. Doesn't have to be perfect. So we have our page from the magazine. The next step is we're going to put that template right on to your magazine page. I like to use a Sharpie because you can see it better. It gives you a nice guideline when you're cutting. So we're going to trace along the whole outside of the template right onto your magazine page, around the tabs, down to the bottom. Okay, I'm just about finished tracing the template. Okay, so you can see we have some nice dark lines. I'm going to go ahead and cut out right along those lines. I'm going to cut the magazine page out. This can be a very relaxing activity if you really take your time. You can even look through some beautiful magazines, maybe some home or garden magazines, and just pick your favorite pictures out. I really like to pick ones that have scenes and not words. Sometimes you can position your template so the caption is over here and you can cut that off. If you do a light color, it will help you in the end, because then when you're writing the address on it, you'll be able to see the address nice and clear. If you choose a darker page, that's okay too. I can show you next how to address that. Okay, so I'm just about finished cutting out the template. All right, so here we go. It's all cut out. Next step is we're going to put the page that's the outside, we're going to put that down on our surface, and you're going to fold those tabs in towards the center. Okay, so we've folded those tabs in. Next we have a smaller flap and a larger flap. So the larger flap we're going to fold up. So that's folded upwards. We're going to do a nice crease. We'll also then bring this top flap, we're going to fold that down and crease that as well. So here you see we have our envelope. Now we just need to make sure that it is secured together. So now's the time you can get out your Elmer's glue, you can get out your glue stick, either one will work. And the only place you need glue is right on those tabs. So we're going to do one tab, I'm putting glue on the second tab. It's going to be on the side of the tab that you visibly would like to see. Okay. We bring those tabs in, and I'm just going to press that larger flap side, I'm going to press that onto the tabs. Right, and there you have it. So now this is going to need a little bit of time to dry. If you were to put a letter in here now, it might stick. So give it 30 minutes to an hour and it should be completely dried. And the last step that I would like to show you is how to address it. So this one is a little bit busy. As you can see, we have a pattern. Normally I would use an Avery template label, which I use for writing addresses on. I don't have those at home right now. So what you can do instead, you can get a white sheet of paper. It can be lined paper or computer paper, and you can glue that right on with your glue stick, and then you have a nice white space to write your address. If you have stickers at home, or if you have any craft supplies, dig around, see what you can find. I was actually surprised. I have some really old scrapbook materials that I was able to look through. Found some stickers, decorative stickers. So I'm going to use that today. I'm going to use one of these decorative stickers. And now I have a place to write my address. Okay. So in closing, I hope you have the skills now to create beautiful, creative envelopes, and I hope you're able to send some love and some joy to people around you, to your family and to your friends by writing them a letter. Have a great day. Bye-bye.